Hello everyone, I am Santos coming to you from Tesseract. Now I was just doing some organizing of my toiletries and I thought I'd share the DIY project with you. So, what you'll need, you can get this at the dollar store, really simple. I'm basically using these little baskets. They are, I believe, $1.50. And I'm going to be using it to store all my toiletries in. But just putting stuff in there gets crowded, gets wibbly wobbly, and all that kind of stuff. So, how do you organize it? Well, you build a little thing. So what I've done here is I've used one of these massive things. It's essentially foam board, as you can see. It costs $1.50. As you can see here at the Dollarama. It's 20 inches by 30 inches, big panel. What you do is you place your toiletries or whatever you want. You trace out the outline with a pencil. And then what I have done is, you can cut it with whatever, but what I've done is I cut a stencil out like this to the size of the board. So it goes in something like this. And then after you've stenciled what's going to go in there, and this also I bought at Dollarama, so you get a little Scalpel, or Exacto knife rather, and a cutting board. This was, I believe, $3. And then you just cut each outline. And as you'll notice, there is 3 layers here. So after I've cut out one layer, I went under with some glue. Whoops. Pasted that on the wrong side anyway. So I've used some Elmer's clear glue to, glue 2 panels together and then cut around. And so you can do like cut one out and then stick 2 panels, which is what I've done to this one. I've stuck 2 panels and then I've cut the rest out. Makes it a little bit easier. So what I do is kind of wiggle around with a knife, just going up and down, making sure you perforate through but not pulling, because if you're pulling, then you get the foam stuff that's in here. You get that pulling away, and then you just have like hollow space on the inside. And what's kind of key about this is when you cut it, you want it to be exactly or a little bit tighter than the object that's going to go in. And if it's too tight, you can literally just grab the handle of the scalpel thing and like run it on the inside. Because it is foam, it's going to get pushed around a little bit. And there you have it. So I will just put my stuff in here and I will show you the finished project.
Many unbearable hours later.
And there we go. So it's all sorted in nicely. And I can just store it in my cupboard like this. You can do this for pretty much everything. I've done some other ones for my death table organizer. So as you can see, the speaker one I haven't really done too much on, but I've done this desk organizer, and I have layers from my old camera here. I have my old phone, I have another layer underneath that, where I have my power supply, I have another old phone, and my USB memory stuff. Got some extra USBs that I haven't done a thing for. But then I have like batteries, and you can organize anything you want like this. And it's a very cheap way to do it. This desk organizer, for example, that's the most expensive thing in here. It's $3.50 at a Dollarama. So yeah, I would love to hear from you guys, see your projects, and yeah, please like and share my video. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.